Let's start with the third step. Seiso. Shine. Everything. Not just tools or parts or machines or storage. Your all surroundings. It may sound like housekeeping, but the purpose is not to clean the surrounding every now and then, but to keep the surroundings clean. So do not just wipe off the dust, but restore the condition if it is in bad shape. That is, replace all broken or non-working accessories of an equipment, or repaint if the existing paint is peeled off. Straighten out all messed up wirings. One way to remember is CLIT. Not a good abbreviation, but it helps to remember. Cleaning. While cleaning, look out for the source of contamination and eliminate it. For example, if there is oil on the floor, do not just clean the oil. Find where it is leaking from and repair. Look out for points like area not accessible to clean, not safe to clean, and redesign. Lubrication. For machines, material handling equipment, also make sure that min-max level is visible. Try to use lubrication-free parts wherever possible. Inspection. Look out for broken or wear-out parts that may cause quality defects or breakdowns. Find out more ways to make inspection easier, such as using transparent panel doors so that you can see what's happening inside without stopping the machine. Tighten. Any loose parts that needs to be tightened or over-tightened parts that may cause problem, and cross-mark the nut to make it more visual. Once you are done with this step, you are a 3S company. In order to maintain what we have achieved by doing 3S, we follow the step 4, Seiketsu. Standardize the best practices of 3S in your shop floor, like color coding for different types of pipes or floor marking, scheduling of daily 3S time, maximum stacking height so that you can see one end from the another. Standardize these practices by making standard operating procedures and effectiveness measurement criteria, area-wise check sheets, responsibility charts. I know it's a lot of paperwork, but anyways, decide the basic 3W1H. What, when, who, how. Or even how much. Decide how much clean is actually clean for your type of work. You want a clean and visual shop floor, but at the same time, you also don't want to spend all your resources on cleaning. You have a production schedule to be met, right? Let's move to the last step. Shitsuke. Sustain. Continue the good work. Whatever has been decided so far must be followed. Remember 3K? Organizations use techniques like making a 5S committee to provide training and conduct sessions or events on 5S awareness, management Gemba walks or review using fixed point photography, internal audits, and best 5S zone recognitions. You can decide whatever works best for you. Just continue the journey and continuously improve. Finally, always remember the purpose of 5S is to improve the overall shop floor efficiency. And this purpose is the only difference between housekeeping and 5S.